Okay, people, sorry about the break. It's just so that the second video and this video are just the same, so it's not going to be part 3 or anything. I'm really sorry. Like I said, I'm using Screen-O-Matic, and it only has a duration of 15 minutes. So I guess we're able to understand what I did. Oh my god. Alright, people, I'm sorry about the break. I'm really sorry about that. I'm using Screen-O-Matic, and it only has a duration of 15 minutes, and the time was up before I could complete the video. So just know that this video and the last are together. Okay, so just please bear with me. And so what it is I'm going to be doing here is going to be like a continuation of that. So just imagine two videos being the same. So I stopped at where I was trying to merge I copied a particular file. So let's just do that again so we can establish what's going on. I want to move. First of all, I want to navigate to that place. I want to navigate to my desktop environment. Now, there's a folder called hobby in my desktop environment. So I want to move a file. I want to create a file in my desktop environment called person.js. Okay. Now the file should be there. Person.js. That's it over there. I want to move this person.js file into this hobby folder. There's a way to do it. I use the mv. One thing you should know when you're using this command, always follow the pattern called mv source destination. Just have this at the back of your mind. The source indicates the file you want to move or the folder you want to move, and the destination indicates the place where you want to move the file to. So for this, I want to move person.js, which is going to be my source, to a folder called hobby, which is actually my destination. Okay, so move source, which is person.js, to destination hobby. And I'm sure it should have moved by now. We will open this up. You should see person.js. Okay, that's the person. Now, for example, you want to copy. You can also copy. You can also copy files. For example, if I want to create a file, create another file again in my desktop environment called type.css. Now I want to copy this type.css to, the way you copy stuff now, you copy but the original file is still there in the original place, but it doesn't change anything, just that it made a duplicate of that file. You know what the copy command is? Ctrl+C. It does the same thing as the Ctrl+C, okay, so if I want to copy, why the move command does the same thing as the Ctrl+X? Sorry, excuse me. Why the Ctrl+C, the move mv command, that's move, does the same thing as Ctrl+X. The cp, which is copy, does the same thing as the Ctrl+C, which is copy. So copy, the same thing, copy source destination. Copy source destination. So what am I copying? Type.css, and I'll copy it to where? My hobby folder. Check. Okay, see our type.css here. We'll go back, type.css, so we're copying, right? Type.css remains on the desktop, but it has been copied to this place. Okay, now we can also copy multiple files or move multiple files. Like I said, we can do multiple things using what? We can do multiple commands using the ampersand and all that. So let's try something. Let's write something to our type.css. I don't know. Let's write something to our type.css. I want to check something. Echo place type.css. Alright, now I like this. Now, do you guys know what just happened here? Do you guys know what just happened here? I think I can exit this. Oh, what have I done? Let's see. Exit. Okay, please. I'm still new to this, so I just did some wonderful stuff right now. Okay, this particular environment, I'll try to explain it. Though I'm not used to it, but I can try to explain it the way I understand. You know, there's situations where you want to edit a file. Okay, so there's this command called vi. Oh, I want to go back. Okay, I think I can use that. Interesting. Please forgive me. Okay, press continue. Wait, it's trying to tell me what to do from here. Type quit, enter to exit Vim. So this is the Vim environment. I didn't know Vim. I did not know I had Vim. Oh my lord. Then let me see if I can delete this thing. Oh. Okay. Oh my god. Sorry. Lord, these are unique commands. So please, no one should fault me here. So we're going to go through this together, okay? I'll just close this up. Okay, get me out of here. Let me just close this up, okay? Okay, we're back. Remember we created a file called type.css, right? Now please, in the name of God, if you want this, I just realized I haven't tried this command before. I just thought I wanted to try it. For Mac users actually use a command called nano to edit a file, okay? So let's navigate to our desktop environment because that's where the CSS file is. Okay, I wrote something to my CSS file. The name of our CSS file is type.css. I wrote something there called place. Now, if I want to edit this place, there's a command called vi, and if I want to edit this thing in this type.css, there's a command called vi, which is for short form for Vim. It's like, how do I put it? It's like a text editor. And it's like you have your text editor, like your notepad, yeah, stuff like that. You can use the V. I didn't even know I had Vim. Seriously, I thought I told you I'm a beginner now. I didn't even know I had Vim. So Vim, that's short from VI, can be used to edit this place. But I'm not going to try it because I'll be stuck. Okay, but you can try it if you like being stuck, okay? If you want to be stuck. But I think it's something this is new for me, so I have to go back and explore it more. Okay, so I don't think there's really much. Okay, let me try this command to list out directories. You know, there's something you call listing out files. Okay, there's something I was taught. If you use this command list, this means list, then list D. LD means list directory. Now, there's something I was taught. I think okay, let me not just assume, but maybe that'll be in that time. But if you want to list directories, it's this command you use. Okay, so why that thing give me only devcc? Directory. Oh my god. Okay, just leave this one now. Just don't bother about this one, okay? So if you want to exit the git bash, use this command exit and you're done. So that's it for this Good. Finally, it's over. Finally, wrap this up. Please, if you have any if you're still confused, you can always go to Google and check. Okay. But I think for you, my work is done or almost done. Try things, mix things, solidify your knowledge, and you definitely get better at this. So, from me to you, it's a bye, and till next time. If I made any mistake, please help me, correct me, okay? I'm not an expert. Thank you. Bye. Till the next tutorial, which hopefully will be good. Yeah, it will. I'm not started working on it, but I won't start working on it soon. Okay, bye.